Hello there, pretty faces. It is your favorite budget queen, Jill, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. On this channel, I do everything beauty, lifestyle, and travel. And if that is something you like, be sure to hit that red subscribe box, so subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I swear you will not be sorry. Today I will be channeling my inner Ryan Destiny, known as Alex Crane from Star. You guys know I love Star. I actually did another character from Star, Brittany, so I'll be sure to link that link up here so you can watch the whole tutorial on how I tried and transform myself into Brittany. So today I am not transforming myself, but I am gonna try and channel my inner Ryan Destiny. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and let's have some fun. I'll be using my AOA Studio Wonder Skin Poreless Primer. This primer is very light. I love it, and it's very light on my skin. And it's vegan for my vegan fans, cruelty-free. Then going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. I have come to love this foundation. If you don't know, I did do a review on this foundation, so I'll be sure to link it up there so you can check out the full review. And I'm going in with a damp sponge to blend in, or to blend in the foundation into my skin. Because this Shape Tape is not a full coverage, I put on 2 layers of foundation just to give it a more flawless look and also more coverage. Going in with my favorite Wonder Stick from NYX, and then I'm just highlighting and contouring. This stick is amazing. And it's even not that expensive, so making sure I'm highlighting and contouring those Tswana cheekbones. Yes, no go. I always try and blend it in very nicely, but I also always contour below my cheekbones because I have high cheekbones, to tell the truth. Making sure to blend it in very nicely with my foundation. The reason why I love this cream stick from NYX is because it blends so well with my foundation, it blends so well with my skin, and it doesn't leave any residue, any lines. I mean, like, it just depends how you blend it in, but personally for me, I love it, and I don't look too fake. That nose. I use the loose powder from my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to kind of set my contouring. I actually do need a loose powder, but for now that is what I use to set my contouring. So I use the Clinique powder to set the rest of my face. Going in for my brows. As you guys know, I do love the Essence Eyebrow Design Pencil, Eyebrow Designer. It is so easy to use. It is the pigmentation is good, and it's no color dark brown because I don't like using black. And as you know, Ryan Destiny's looks are always so natural. She's never overdone her looks, so that's where I'm heading for, to be more natural, a more natural look. I'm going in with the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer, and this is just to kind of set my brows. Going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer to clean up my brows and to prime my lid. Using my favorite palette, Juvia's palette. It's the Masquerade one. This palette is so pigmented, and as you can see, I'm going in with the brown because, as previously mentioned, Ryan does do natural looks all the time, and I'm trying to do a golden natural look. Then I'm going in with Crown Pro Glam Metal palette, and I'm putting the color Rock on my lid. It's not that pigmented, as you can see, so I have to kind of put a lot on to get that gold glowy look. Just blending it nicely, because blending is actually exercise. Then I'm going to use my Wet n Wild setting spray just to wet my brush, and then I'm going to go back with that Rock On color just to make it stand out more. Again, blending, doing my favorite sports, just blending, and there it's done. And then for my inner corners, I'm going to go in with a orange gold color, and that's just to define my inner corners a bit more and to break that gold color a bit. And then lower lash, I'm going in with the gold, Rock On Gold again. Then I'm using the Jonte Blue eyeliner. This is actually gray and not black, so then my eyes are not that intense. Just cleaning up around my face because it does have fallout. Lashes are on, yes girl. Next, we're doing some blush. Using Note, this is one of my favorite blushes. It is a peach color, but it's not that intense. Like, it's very natural. It gives me a natural finish. Going in with my Wet n Wild highlighter. Gotta highlight them cheekbones. Let it glow, let it glow. And the nose, of course. And a cupid's bow, just like that. Again, I'm going in with my Essence Eyebrow Designer, and this time I'm using it to line my lips because I do not have a dark brown lip liner. So just lining my lips. My lips have been through the struggle, so they like chipped a bit. They've been dry, but I've keep on moisturizing them. So I'm just going in with my lip eyes or lip ornament, and then going in with my Wet n Wild setting spray. So we turn nothing into something, and we still got time. Dim the lights and we still got shine. Take the wheel and we still got ride. Then voila. So this is the final look, lovies. I feel like I am looking like Ryan Destiny, aka Alex Cream. I just love her makeup. It's always natural and she always has a dark lip. It is amazing. It has pizzazz. It is sassy. Girl, I just love her makeup. So I really hope you like this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and comment, and go watch Star so we can turn nothing into something, and we still got time. Dim the lights and we still got shine. Take the wheel and we still got ride. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Till next time. Bye.